Good day, class. My name is Mrs. Okonkwo, your basic technology auntie, taking JSS3 for the week 6. Our topic for today is on energy. And within this course of our lesson, we are going to talk about, we'll cover the area of energy, definition of energy, form of energy, and importance of energy. And we are going to talk about types of energy, both renewable energy and non-renewable energy. And we are going to define the renewable energy and their sources. Likewise, we describe non-renewable energy and their sources. Students, I ask, how many of you who fetch water from the well? Our last topic was on water supply. And to get water from a well is part of it. How many of you fetch water this morning? And how do you go about it? I know you do some work, and at the same time you use energy to do it. Therefore, our topic says or describes that energy is the ability or capacity to do work. And the unit of this energy is in joules. The symbol is letter J. While work is said to be done when a force moves through a distance on the same distance of force. Therefore, work is equal to force times distance, and the unit also is also in joules. Form of energy. Energy exists in one of several forms. We have mechanical energy, which is composed of potential energy and kinetic energy. The potential energy is the energy at rest, while kinetic energy is energy on motion. We have heat energy, which is due to temperature rises. We have light energy, which is visible to us. We use to make you can use to see. We have sound energy. We have electrical energy. We have chemical energy, and we have nuclear energy. Importance of energy. Mechanical energy is used in hydroelectric generation. Also used by all machineries to do work by making the wheel to go round. Likewise, we use hammer to drive nail to the wood. That is mechanical energy. We talk about heat energy. It is used for cooking our food. It is also used in warming our body in cold weather. Also used in electric iron to press our clothes. That is on heat energy. Light energy is used to make us to see things. We have bulb at home. We are using what we have. The energy there is on light energy, and we use it to grow. The green plants are using it to manufacture their own food through the process known as photosynthesis. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is used to operate machines and electrical devices such as fan, refrigerator, electric cooker, lamp, TV set, and so on and so forth. You can name them at home. Chemical energy. This energy is stored in food and is converted to muscular energy that keeps us growing. It's also stored in fuel on combustion in energy in engine forms heat energy, which is converted to mechanical energy used in driving motors, vehicles, aeroplanes are using gasoline, and ships, etc. All these are the importance of energy. We talk about types of energy. We have two types of energy. We have renewable energy and non-renewable energy. The renewable energy source is an energy which supply energy continuously. An example of these are from sun. You know, sun is the primary source of light that is available on Earth. We have energy from water. This one is hydroelectric power we get from it. Hydro, anything called hydro is because of water, powered by water. We have wind, and we talk about windmill when I ask you to go on the internet to go and get the composition of it. And you make a lot of things there. This wind, they have a kind of wind vane that is generating wind. And this wind, the windmill are using to power the electricity. These are the source of renewable energy. And we have another one called biomass or biogas. These are the decomposition of plants and animals. We get energy also from there. The last one, lost the list there is geothermal. This geothermal is naturally occurring heat from the earth. That is volcanic eruption. They are using it in US, Italy, California, Iceland, and the one that is nearer to us is in Nigeria. We are having it in Nigeria. At Ikogosi, warm spring in Ekiti State. Where at that place, there is a warm water and a cold water coming under the rock. They can use this water to generate electricity. These are the renewable energy, non-renewable energy. We have said renewable energy, identification of types of renewable energy with their source. We have mentioned it. These are the things I have mentioned: sun, water, wind, biomass, geothermal. And at the same time, energy from sun, we are using it as solar energy. Most of you have been saying it. Even around the school system, where we have the panel, the panel they are put on top of the roof, where it will be collecting radiation from the sun. At night, you can now convert it, use converter to convert it to generate electricity. We have talked about the one with water. Then let's shift to non-renewable energy. The non-renewable energy is the energy that may be dry up as time goes on. The only example of it is petroleum, coal, natural gas. All these are fuel. All these are fuel. Then I want to talk much on petroleum, fuel. That is non-renewable fuel. Fuel are petroleum, natural gas, coal, wood, charcoal. They are all natural, non-renewable energy, since they are not replaceable when used up. Fuel is any material that burns and produces heat energy from the stored chemical energy. We talk about coal. Coal is a black solid material produced under the earth for long dead wood, that is fossil. A long dead trees and vegetation, they are called fossil. An example of this is called anthracite smokeless coal or bituminous smoking coal. All these, they are using them to construct road. Then petroleum. This is a dark viscous liquid which lies beneath the surface of the earth. It's obtained as crude oil from the earth by drilling. The oil is being pumped into the oil refinery, where it's being separated by fractional distillation to different products, such as petrol, for motor vehicle, and so on and so forth. When you get the note, and I want you to download the note, all these things I'm saying are inside the note. You can get it there. And by the way, you can now know that energy, type of energy is renewable and non-renewable energy, which are more useful to every one of us and for the usefulness of mankind. Assignments. My assignment goes: define energy and list 4 forms of energy. 2, what do you understand by renewable energy and give Examples. 3. Mention sources of non-renewable energy. Once again, make sure you go and download the note. The note is more complete. I'm just picking points in order to remind you that there is something on the topic. Make sure you download the note. I am Okonkwo FC. Make sure you keep to COVID-19 measures. Thank you and God bless. See you next time for another topic.
Praise and glorious and powerful, hearken to the prayers of your children.